Alright, welcome everybody. This is our daily agenda for Monday, April 26th. Today is odds. So for today, we are continuing on with our digital portfolios, folks. Our do now will be Quill. For today, according to our schedule, let's not forget the schedule. I posted it up on Google Classroom for us all. You guys should be on that final reflection or inputting your my goodness, I've already forgotten your digital vision boards that we created back in January. So you should be on either one of them, but really close to that final reflection. All right, that's around where you should be. Everybody should have at least the 30-day writing challenge inputted by this point. So just to let you guys know where we should be. If you are on your final reflection questions, beautiful, wonderful. Now, folks, you're going to answer the following questions on the Google slide. Again, it's in our classroom. It's only 4 questions. Super simple, super easy. Again, please answer in 2 to 3 sentences for these. And then you are going to record yourself filming that video and input it at the end of your portfolios. I showed you how to do this last time in our classroom, and you guys now know how to do it because you did it for your interviews and your oral history projects. So you guys should know how to do that. So if you're still confused on how to attach a video or audio to a Google slide, go watch the video from Ms. Salas. That will show you how to do it in more detail. Okay, so our checklist. This is where you guys should be. Last week, you guys were really working on this half of the checklist, getting your argumentative writing process in. Now you guys should be on this half, really closer to that vision board if you guys were at least inputting 2 assignments in a day. So I left these here for you guys again so you could have them. So all you have to do is go to our daily slides and agenda for today, and you guys will see exactly what assignments I'm looking for, in what category, and in what section. All right. Again, for those of you that are confused about our final reflection, these are the directions. All you have to actually input into your digital portfolios is your video with you speaking the questions and being very casual with them, okay? Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, for our exit ticket today, I really like this exit ticket for you guys, so I'm going to kind of keep it. Red is I've only inputted 1 to 2 slides. Yellow, I've inputted 2 to 4 slides. Green, I've inputted 4 to 6 slides. So we're going to keep up with that for today for our exit ticket. I want to make sure you guys are doing good. All right, guys. As always, if you have any questions, you just need to reach out to me, reach out to Ms. Arroyo, reach out to Ms. Reyes, and we'll help you guys out. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class.